Welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. We are doing advanced exercises and techniques of multiplication on the Abacus. This is third series, third episode. Hope you know all the basic rules of multiplications, all the basic knowledge of Abacus, and you can do addition on the Abacus. Without these, you can't do multiplication. Okay, so this is only one channel where you can learn Abacus in 4 different languages: English, Nepali, Hindi and Japanese. Okay, so find your good language and check my playlist and find your suitable video. Let's go for the first question of today. 362 multiplied by 351. Count all the digits in the question, 6 digits. This is my marked rod, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 and pointed this rod. This is tens positions for your answer. Okay, so start to multiply. 3 3s are 9. You have to put 0 in front of one digit answer. This is second technique of multiplication, basic technique of multiplication. Okay, 0 9, so 0 goes to this rod and 9 goes to this rod. Change your pointed rod. 3 5s are 15, so 1 and 5. For 1 I'm going to reduce this one and borrow this one. This is how to borrow 10 for the addition technique, and 5 goes to this rod. Change your pointed rod. 3 1 is 3 0 and 3. Okay, change. We finished these 3. So next 5 digits, 1 2 3 4 5, starting from here. 6 3s are 18, 1. And for 8 I am going to apply 3-step addition technique. So add 3, reduce 5 and borrow this one. Change your pointed rod. 6 5s are 30, 3 0. For 3 I am going to borrow this 5, reduce 2 and 0. Change. 6 1 is 6, 0 and 6 here. Change. We finish 6 also. Next 4 digits, 1 2 3 4 digits, starting from this rod. 2 3s are 6 0 6, so add this one. Change. 2 5s are 10, 1 and 0. For 1 borrow this one. So this is how to borrow 10 for the addition. So remove this one and borrow this one and 0. Change. 2 1 is 2 0 2. 2 goes. This is a little bit sticky, so usually I am not using this rod, so this is a little bit sticky, so don't mind for that. And change your rod. We finish all digits and we came to this marked rod automatically, means we have our answer on the Abacus. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 rod, 1, 10,000 rod, 2,000 rod, 7, 100 rod 0, tens rod 6 and ones rod 2. This is your answer, 127062. So let's move to another question. Second question is 421 multiplied by 243. 6 digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6, starting from this rod. 4 2s are 0 8. Change. 4 4s are 16, 1 6 16. Change. 4 3s are 12, 1 2 12, 1 and 2. Change. We finished 4 here. Next 5 digits, 1 2 3 4 5, starting from this rod. 2 2s are 4, 0 4. For 4 I am going to borrow 100 here. So because I am going to place 4 here, but we have only 2, so I am going to borrow from here. But all the beads from this rod are also moved, means ones rod, tens rod, this is 100 rod, so I am going to borrow this 100 to add 4 here, means reducing this 6, all these beads and borrow this one. This is how to borrow 100 for addition technique. Okay, and since 2 4s are 8, 0 8, so for 8 I am going to borrow this 10, so reducing 2 and borrow this one. Change. 2 3s are 6, 0 6. Okay, change. We finished 2. Next 4 digits, 1 2 3 4. Starting from here, 1 2 are 2, 0 2. Change. 1 4s are 4, 0 4. For 4, I am reducing this 6 and borrow this 10. This is how to borrow 10. Okay, and last one is 1 3s are 3, 0 3. Okay, and change. We came to this marked dot and we finished the number also, and here we have our answer. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 rod 1, 10,000 rod 0, 1,000 rod 2, 100 rod 3, tens rod 0, and ones rod 3 is your answer. 102303. Next question. 899 multiply by 112. Okay, this is start 6 digits starting from this dot. 81 is 08. Change. 81 is 08. Change. 8 2s are 16. 1 6, 1 and 6. Okay, change. We finished 8. Next is 9. So 5 digits starting from this dot. 9 1 is 09, but we don't have bits here. So for 9, I am reducing this one and going to borrow this one. Okay, change. 9 1 is 9, 09. So we have only 3. So one more time, reduce this one, borrow this one. Okay, change. 9 2s are 18. 1 8, 18, 1 and 8 18. Change. We finish this 9 also. Next 9, 4 digits, 1 2 3 4 starting from here. 9 1 is 09. So we don't have 9 here, so I'm going to borrow from this rod. Means all the bits from this rod are also moved. So next rod also moved, so I am going to borrow this one. Means this is tens rod. Yes, I'm going to add 9 here, but tens rod also moved, 100 rod also moved, so 1000 rod. To add 9 here, I have to borrow this 1000. Okay, so reduce this one, reduce all this one, all this one, and borrow this one. Okay, add 9 here. Okay, and let's change your pointer finger. Once again, 9 1 is 9, 0 9. So we have bit here, so we can borrow easily from here. So reduce one and add this one. Says 9 2s are 18. 1 8 18, 1 and 8 18. Okay, change. We finished numbers and we came to this pointed marked rod. Yes, means we finished, and our answer is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1, 10,000, 0, 1,000, 0, 100, 6, tens rod 8, and ones rod also 8. 1 0 0 6 8 8 is your answer. One more last question, and I'm going to give you some exercises, homework for you. So today's last question is 960 multiply by 105. Okay, so we are going to deal with 0 here. 6 digits starting from this dot. 9 1 is 0 9. Change. 9 0 means 0. Nothing to do, but don't forget to change your pointer finger. Okay, 0 is also a digit, so you can't lift that. And last one, 9 5s are 45, 4 and 5. Okay, so we finished 9. Next is 5 digits, 1 2 3 4 5 digits starting from this dot. 6 1 is 6, 0 6. For 6, I am going to borrow 100 here, because tens rods is also moved here, so I'm going to reduce this 4, all this one, and borrowing this one. I added 6 here. Change 6 0 means 0, nothing to do, but have to change your pointer finger. 6 5s are 30, 3 0 3 0 30. Change, and we finish 6 1. And last 4 digits 1 2 3 4 starting from this rod. 0 1 means 0, nothing to do, nothing to do, nothing to do, nothing to do. Here is your answer. 100,000 1, 10,000 0, 1,000 0, 100 8, tens 0, ones 0. We finish. So in this lesson you learned how to deal 0 in your question, how to deal 0 in your answer, and you learn put 0 in front of your 1 digit answer, and so on. So please try to do these exercises. On the screen there is some more exercises for you, and please if you have any comments, if you have any questions, you can directly message me, or you can comment in the comment section. If you want to contact me, please follow my Facebook page where you can directly contact with me. If you want more exercises, I will send you, just contact me, okay? And do not comment on my English language because I am not perfect enough and this is not my mother tongue. I have a request, that is why I am making these videos. Episodes are in 4 different languages, Nepali, English, Hindi and Japanese. So please find your suitable language and find your suitable playlist, okay? There is playlist in my channel, so where I divided all the topics and all the languages come to play in my channel, okay? So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in next episode. Tata.